come to it. It's a bridge that's made up with a white wire. We can say wire bridge. We can cross it for only two people, and we cannot hang it up. We just walk slowly. Please look at it. Oh, no, I cross it. It seems to be vibrate. It seems to be vibrate. Wow. Vibrate bridge. Hi, baby. Now I come here again. Just walk around, maybe 30 minutes after I walk around the resort. I want to take up something, and I need to say something. What I see in this resort. Please look up. It is origin people. All the male origin people and also the women. And there are something for selling here. Now please look at the man. We can say pnong, but I didn't know it was good or not. It was really true or not, but it looked like pnong, you know. It is Khmer origin people who come to live first in Mondolkiri. Have no more guy, but need to say something. What I know before. She is my origin. She is a woman. It was built up with a stone and a beautiful flower. There are so many small bridges that come along with. I cannot describe it because it is very beautiful that I can't say it. everybody, now I climb up to the mountain. It's still a little bit high. Now it's time for running up. Oh. So it is a natural place. So everybody, if you come here at Mondolkiri, please come to Ou Romis Resort. It's a very beautiful place for visiting. If I have a chance, I will come here. I will come here with my beloved people and also my family. It's a very good place for tourism. Even though it is so very good, I have nothing to say because I never seen it before. If we compare it with Karachi province, Mondolkiri, it is a province very cold more than Karachi. But now I feel cold on my body. Okay, now it's time for me arriving at Ou Romis Resort. It is maybe a natural, a half of natural place and also making up by the government. Right? Can you take with me?
Sorry, I don't have English.
Okay, now look at maybe a small canal here. A slow flowing water. It is in natural place. When we have some problem, we come here and we will be resolve any problem by this natural resort. It's a very good place for tourism. It is maybe 10 kilometers from Mondolkiri province. Wow, it's so a big jar.